Hello YouTube, Anything's Possible Music here, how are we? This is going to be another video on Submithub. Now, it is a problem for a lot of people. Now, this is my fourth video. If you want to check out the previous videos, they are numbers 3, 6 and 17, I believe. So, this is going to be a review of my latest submission, which was Atmosphere. Now, this video is especially important because I did actually get my track added to an official Spotify playlist. So if it was good enough to get on an official editorial playlist, then surely Submithub should be a walk in the park really. I should be getting lots of approvals, but you can probably tell where this video is going. It didn't actually work out like that. It was very much similar patterns. So obviously check out the previous videos and enjoy the stats I'm about to prove to you. So thank you for watching, and anything's possible, remember. So I'm going to quickly just show you the previous videos I've done on Submithub. So there they are, if you would like to view them, just to see similar stats on my previous submissions, that's where you'll find them. Obviously there's plenty of other videos for you to check out, so hopefully you can check out a few of my videos. They're really helpful, hopefully. So let's go and have a look at the editorial playlist that I managed to get onto. So this was the track. Now, I think my previous video, I think it was number 22, was the video about getting on here. But I'm going to show you that I am still on here. Now, as you can see in the text below, basically it involves me constantly having to share it, which is an absolute pain. But it's something I have to do if I actually want to be on there. So you can see that's the playlist itself, and there's only 60 songs on there. So let's go and have a look at Submithub. Now, obviously, drop your comments on how well you do in this, but unfortunately, the approval rate is pretty poor for me, even though I'm getting on Spotify playlist now, which is obviously something to be very proud of. So, as you can see, I've still got like over 100 credits to use. I mean, I don't know why I actually spent so much money on it, given how poor the success rate is, but I need to try and work out the best way of doing this. So as you can see, there's the Anything's Possible for Atmosphere, and I have also done track 2 on the album, which is Shivers. You can see the approval rate is pretty poor. Again, that's probably about 15% approval rate, which is not really good, really. You really want to try and get up to like 50% ideally. So let's go and have a look at the actual feedback. So as you can see in my emails, you can see whether or not I got approved, or in this case, it's quite obvious I was declined time and time again, despite getting on an actual editorial playlist. So why was it? It's just, again, what's going on, you know? So let's go and have a look at the feedback, and just to prove a point, all of these ones I'm going to show you, the comments are very positive, you know, nice work, the sound is clean, well balanced, etc. So I thought Atmosphere sounded brilliant. That's why it was the opening track to my album. But that person likes the dark atmospherics of the track. It's a lovely song. Hopefully you can check it out as a thank you. This guy likes the first part, which is a very nice compliment because it is a very nice song. But for some reason you declined it as well, for God knows what reason. I don't know. This person thought it was amazing. It's like, he didn't just say it was good, he actually said it was amazing. Can you imagine? An amazing droning thing. But again, why did you decline it then if you thought it was amazing? Let's check out a couple of other ones, just see if we can get a bit balanced here. So this person didn't particularly like it, which is fair enough. But generally, you can see, hey, thanks for this. I'm loving the ambient vibe. Okay, you liked it, so why did you decline it then? So again, it's just, what's the point of submitting to this, you know? So most people like it, but declined it, and it's still got an editorial playlist. So I know it was a good track. It's just for some reason you didn't want to listen to it and add it to your playlist. So this is the album. Atmosphere is the first track on the album. It is a very nice song, if you could check it out as a thank you. But there we go. I mean, just why, you know, just obviously people liked it, but they just weren't adding it to the playlist, and obviously I'm not getting streams as a result of it. So here's a quick summary anyway. So YouTube, obviously similar results. Now luckily Spotify is still getting me plenty of streams via the playlist, but Submithub again was just a disaster, you know. So obviously I'm losing the will to live with Submithub, so I really don't think you should be wasting much time or money on it. Really, there are better methods. If you want to get on one of my playlists, just obviously click the link and I will try and add you to my growing playlist. But yeah, Submithub, I just don't think it's very good. So that's my personal opinion. You might think differently, but drop comments anyway. So thanks for watching, and obviously please subscribe, please share with your friends, and look forward to my future videos. Okay, thank you, bye bye.